Hey, welcome to our discussion. I want to talk to you this low fidelity and high fidelity. Okay, what exactly these two types of prototypes? Here you can see evidently this one is a low fidelity. Okay, and of course another with one is high fidelity. You simply understand low fidelity as a crude version of your modeling, okay, whatever the prototype you make. So high fidelity is exactly opposite. It is much more precise. It's much more closer to your final product. So for example, in this example, you can clearly see this app design is prototyped using a paper in a low fidelity. And high fidelity, we used Sigma, which is the software which we generally use to make the final app. So high fidelities are much more precise, much more closer to the final product. Let me show you one interesting example which portrays this accurately and correctly, and which makes your understanding much more vivid. So for example, in one end it's a low fidelity, another end it's a high fidelity. And when we are prototyping, of course we start with low and move towards high, and this particular thing clearly demonstrate, and especially all the product design centric companies or product design centric innovations, you get to see that. In the car industry, it is very much vivid. You start with a drawing on the paper, then you move to a smaller car clay modeling, and then of course you move to actual size car modeling, and finally working